Here is how to transfer crypto using Trust Wallet step by step. First, open the Trust Wallet app and unlock it using your password or biometrics. From the home screen, tap on the crypto you want to send, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Once on the token page, tap the Send button. In the recipient's address field, paste the wallet address where you want to send the crypto. Make sure the address and blockchain work and match your token. For example, don't send BEP20 tokens to an ERC20 address. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer or tap Max to send everything available. Review the transaction details, including the network fee. Once everything looks good, tap Continue, then Confirm. Your transaction will be sent to the blockchain and you can view its progress in the transaction history. That's how to transfer crypto with Trust Wallet. Simple, fast, and secure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.